I have a message for Pampers. I want to see somebody from the company, anybody who works for the company. I want one baby in one hand, preferably a wiggly one that does not want to be changed. And in the other hand, I want to see it done.
I know exactly what she's talking about. I've had 2 babies of my own. I've used Pampers. I also work as a labor and postpartum nurse, and our hospital uses Pampers. So if you don't know what she's talking about, the wipes sometimes tend to stick together. Do you see that? So what you can do is take a hair tie or a rubber band and tighten it around this area right here. Let's see, we're gonna do it with one hand. Yes, I will admit, it still takes some effort. Okay, here is another trick. You put a little 5-pound weight right there. And that prevents it from going up in the air. I loved doing this trick when my kids were little. Obviously, use it to your discretion. Make sure it's in an appropriate place where you don't have to worry about the weight falling on anything or anyone. Because the whole idea is trying to change your baby's diaper with one hand. And obviously, this is how you would get a wet wipe out with both hands, is putting pressure on the wet wipe container versus it all coming out at once. And when your wipes run low, you just turn this to the side, which these aren't low just yet, but the heavier the weight, the more effective it is when they're like down to nothing. And I always changed my babies on the ground, although we did have a changing table. I always changed them on the floor just so I didn't have to worry about them rolling off the changing table. I hope that helps.